You say bless you whenever someone sneezes, but why? Have you ever pondered on this? This takes us back to an era several centuries ago, a time filled with superstitions. A sneeze was anything but a trivial matter. It was believed to hold such power that it could eject one's soul or draw the attention of wicked spirits. And so the phrase bless you was born, as a holy plea for divine protection from such threats. While these superstitions have gradually faded over time, this tradition has interestingly persevered. Modern theories suggest that we say bless you because our heart skips a beat when we sneeze. However, this is another fallacy. Let's dive into the intriguing narrative of a mere sneeze and a blessing. If you found this story compelling and crave more such intriguing knowledge, subscribe for more interesting facts.